Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to convert the following to meter per second. So for part A, we would have 20 kilometer per second. This simply means that 24 kilometer per second means that it is equals to 24 kilometer over 1 second. And therefore, to get meter per second, I would therefore just need to convert my kilometer to meter. Alright? And so, how does that work? So my 24 kilometer is simply, I just need to times 1000 and it will be meter. The whole thing is still over 1 second because I just need to get to meter per second. And therefore final answer 24,000 meter per second. And that will be for part A. Alright. And now for part B, where we will have 50 meter per hour. Again, using the same idea from part A, this simply means 50 meter over 1 hour. And so I already have the meter. All I need to do now is to convert the hour to seconds. Yeah. So it will be in 1 hour there is 60 minutes, and in 60 minutes there is 60 seconds. And that's what we will do to convert 1 hour to seconds. Okay. Next thing would then be 50 divided by 60 times 60, and that will be 0.013888926 SF first, 6 significant figure, followed by final answer 139 meter per second. This is to 3 SF. Alright, let's move on to part C now, where we will have to convert (80 kilometer per minute). Again, it is the same, kilometer over 1 minute. That's my starting point. And I would then need to convert the kilometer to meter. Just need to multiply by 1000. That will give us the meter. And in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. And so final answer for part C will be 1333.33333. I will write to 6 Civic first, followed by 1330 meter per second to 3 SF. Last 126 kilometer per hour. So this is the same as 126 kilometer in 1 hour. And so kilometer, we are all pretty good already, isn't it? Just need to multiply by 1000. That will give me the meter. For 1 hour, previously we know that there is 60 minutes, 60 seconds, and for each minute it is 60 seconds. Therefore, the answer will be 35 meter per second. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.